Hello! Today we will learn instruments in both English and Spanish. Instrument starts with the letter I. Let's begin with my favorite instrument, the drum. A drum in Spanish is called a tambor. A drum is a percussion instrument. El tambor es un instrumento de percusión. Bye bye drum. Adios tambor. Next, we have an egg shaker. An egg shaker in Spanish is called a ganza. A ganza is a percussion instrument as well. El ganza es un instrumento de percusión también. Bye bye egg shaker. Adios ganza. Next, we have the ukulele. The ukulele is a string instrument. A ukulele in Spanish is called el ukulele. El ukulele es un instrumento de cuerdas. Bye bye ukulele. Adios ukulele. Our next instrument is the clappers. Clappers is a percussion instrument. Clappers in Spanish are called badajos. Badajos es un instrumento de percusión. Bye bye clappers. Adios badajos. Our next instrument is the harmonica.